In this video, you will learn how to edit Pinterest pin inside Pinterest. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you have to click on your profile picture in the bottom, and now you have to select the pin which you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this pin. So for that, first of all, you have to long press on this pin, and now you will have an edit option like this pencil, and now you have to click on this pencil option. After that, your Pinterest pin will be open like that, and now you can edit their title, detail, add link, pin board, and advanced setting. And that's how you can edit your Pinterest pin inside Pinterest app. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks video like this one.